Hello there, welcome to my another video. In this video, we'll be addressing a common issue faced by WordPress users, the unable to write to wp-config.php file error. If you've ever encountered this problem, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through the step-by-step process to resolve this issue and get your website up and running smoothly. So let's get started. First, open any of your web browser and search download WordPress on the Google. Go to the first link. To download latest version of WordPress, just click on Download WordPress. Select location, where you want to download the file, and click on Save. After download complete, extract this file. Now open your local server. Start Apache web server and MySQL database. Now go to Application File and open XAMPP. Open htdocs folder. Now copy your WordPress file and paste it in htdocs folder. Go to any web browser and type localhost in address bar. Press Enter. Now, open a new tab and go to localhost/WordPress. Click on Let's Go. Now we have to create a new database. For that, go to Previous tab and click on phpMyAdmin. Now click on Databases and give a database name. I give it to WordPress_DB. Click on Create. Our database successfully created. Now copy database name and paste it to here. Type your database username and password here. I am using default username and password. Now click on Submit. We are getting an issue here, unable to write to wp-config.php. Now go back and go to htdocs folder. After selecting WordPress file, click Right button and click New Terminal tab at folder. Now type pwd and press Enter. Copy this folder location. Now close it and open New Terminal. Type sudo space chmod space -r space 777 and paste folder location here. Now type Enter and give your system password. After put your password, press Enter. Let's close all tab and go back our browser. Fill all required information again and click Submit. Now click on Run the Installation button. Fill website information and click on Install WordPress. Now type your login information and click Login. We have successfully installed WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe to our channel.